Hey folks, this is Mark with OrientWatchUSA.com, and this is FET0H002B. Now this is part of Orient's newest automatic collection. We've did a blast on it in the past, but it really is a gorgeous watch, and as you can see on the wrist, it's absolutely complimentary. So what I want to show you right here, while it's still on my wrist, it does have three functionalities. It has the date wheel, as the date indicator right over here by the 6 o'clock. We have a day indicator over here. But we also, which is quite special, have a 24-hour indicator located in this quadrant right over here. One thing I really like about this watch is just the look. Take a look at this beautiful watch on the wrist like that. The profile of the watch, how it looks on the wrist is absolutely gorgeous. Okay. So what I'm going to do now is take it off, and you'll notice that there is a on the buckle itself there's a logo. Very, very simple. I'm sure you've taken off watches like this before in the past, but there it goes. It's quite simple like that. What's really nice about this watch is it does have an exhibition case back, as you can see. It's a mechanical watch, folks. Mechanical watch, how do I explain it? It's a watch that uses mechanisms instead of a battery to drive a timing device. Now, a mechanical watch, if you look at another example, I mean, this one doesn't have, obviously just took off the case back, but as you can see over here, it's much different from what you probably would have thought it looked like. It's got this thing, what they call the oscillating weight. This thing spins as you wear it, just naturally from body movement. That movement winds up a spring, and the spring powers up the timing device of the watch. And so it's actually a very clever design, but if you want to learn a little more about this, you can take a look at any product page and click on what's a mechanical watch, and you'll really understand the true value of an Orient watch. Okay, one thing I do want to show you is that it does have a screw down crown. Now what does that screw down crown mean? It means I have to unscrew the crown until I feel the release, and then I have to adjust the watch. So in this first setting, take a look at the 12, the date that says 12 right now, and you'll see that it's advancing forward as I'm spinning the crown. I pull it out one more step, and guess what? Take a look, I can adjust time. One thing about this watch, folks, to adjust day, this is what I do. Right now, based on the 24-hour indicator over here, I'm now in PM. Say I want to take this to Friday, okay? Right now it's a Tuesday. Right now I'm getting close to midnight. I'm gonna let the watch naturally pivot the day, and you'll notice that the pivot happens in 2 steps. Once you're done with the 2-step process, when it completely goes over to Wednesday, go ahead and revert back to around 11:30 and move forward until it goes to Thursday. Now it's at Thursday. I'm gonna switch back, and I'm going to go to Friday. So this is how I traverse through the days. It's not probably the brand approved way, but this is something that I do. Okay? And remember to always put the crown back, just lock position. Just want to show you that beautiful profile of this case. Now this uses sapphire crystal, folks, not mineral crystal. So it's actually quite it's very, very nice in terms of its features, because it's going to have the